What if I told you that having the best things doesn't make you the best person? This is the story of Sonyu, a boy who had everything but lost it all just because he wanted to show off. But what happens when life teaches him a lesson he will never forget? Stay with me till the end to find out. In the peaceful village of awkward, 12-year-old Sonyu lived in a big house with his parents. His father, Mr. Sharma, was the richest farmer in the village, while other kids wore simple clothes and helped their families. Sonyu had new clothes, shiny shoes, and a bicycle from the city. One morning, Sonyu rode his bicycle to school, ringing his bell loudly. Sonyu smirking, "Look at my new bicycle, it's the fastest one in the whole village." His classmates stopped and stared. Some admired it, but his best friend Rahul just shook his head. "Rahul, having the best things doesn't make you the best person, Sonyu." Sonyu laughing, "You just jealous because you walk to school." At lunchtime, Sonyu opened his fancy metal lunchbox filled with a delicious meal. He looked at Rahul, who had only a simple sandwich. Sonyu smugly, "My mom made me paneer today. You still eat just bread." Rahul ignored him, but the other kids whispered. Classmate 1, "Sonyu always acts like he is better than us." Classmate 2, "He never helps on the farm but still thinks he is the best." Sonyu didn't care. He loved being the center of attention. That evening, the village elder gathered everyone in the town square. "Village elder, this year we will have a special harvest festival challenge. Each child will grow crops and the one with the best harvest will win a golden trophy." Sonyu grinning, "I have the best land and tools. I am going to win." Rahul and the other kids also joined the challenge, determined to work hard. Day 1, Sonyu hired workers to plant his seeds while he relaxed. Rahul carefully planted his seeds by hand. He watered them daily. Sonyu showed off his field but never checked on it. A heavy rainstorm hit the village. Rahul rushed to protect his crops. Sonyu stayed inside, assuming his workers would handle it. Rahul breathing heavily, "I must save my plants." Sonyu yawning, "Why should I bother? I already have the best land." On the final day, the whole village gathered to see the results. Rahul's field was full of the golden, healthy wheat. Sonyu's field had barely any crops. His plants had died from neglect. Sonyu's face turned red with embarrassment. "Village elder, this year's winner is Rahul. He worked hard and cared for his crops." Sonyu whispering, "I thought I would win just because I had everything." Rahul, "Success isn't about what you have, Sonyu. It's about what you do with it." The next year, Sonyu joined the harvest festival again, but this time he worked hard. And when the results came, Sonyu and Rahul won together. Village elder, "Now Sonyu, you have truly earned your success." Moral of the story: true success comes from effort, not from showing off.